farmers, we're pretty resilient. We like to do a lot of things ourselves, so it's real tempting to do your electrical work yourself. Irrigation's a whole nother problem right there. It's real easy for an irrigation system to become energized and you not know it.
Irrigation systems are typically very large and they're somewhat mobile. And what that does is, because it's very large, obviously to put it together, it's a lot of really, really long pipe. And so trying to transport this pipe, install this pipe can be a hazardous task, because you obviously have to move this really long pipe around the field, and you want to make sure that it's not getting into the power lines, of course. Being very aware of how big the piece you're moving, trying to maintain at least 10 feet from your power lines is really important.
With irrigation, we've got to store some pretty long aluminum pipes, and you want to make sure that you have a good plan about where those are going to be stored. Don't store them underneath your power lines. Even something as simple as what we call the secondary voltage, your 120 to 480 going into your homestead, your farm, you bump into that with that, the electricity is going to take the path to the ground. So let's make sure we don't store those pipes anywhere near the electric utility lines to create that hazard, that problem.
I think most electrical systems have codes and requirements for operation, and irrigation systems are very similar, in that there are standards that need to be met to make sure that they will operate the way they're intended and operate safely. And so it's certainly not something that everyone's well versed on, and so enlisting the help of a professional utility expert and somebody who's has the experience installing irrigation systems is obviously the best choice.
When lightning strikes, what people don't realize is that irrigation system's still working. Lightning causes a lot of damage to irrigation systems, so you can blow your ground by lightning and not have it properly grounded.
So common problems include loose connections, improper circuit insulation, and improper motor protection. The worst case scenario would obviously be electrocution. Other alternatives include, severe shocks or burns. So I think it's really important to never try to fix this on your own, right? Call 911, enlist the help of your utility crews, and wait for professional help.